Hey friends, and welcome back to my channel. In this video I am going to teach you how you can fix the issue of Black Ops 6 while trying to install the game using the Xbox game bar. You are not able to install the game. As soon as you hit the install option, the game started to install and then come back to the same installation screen. So without wasting time, let's go ahead and directly proceed with the resolution. Here is a simple fix for you. Go ahead, open the game. Now in the search box, search for Call of Duty and hit the enter key. Now from here, you need to click on the Call of Duty base game only. For example, this is the base game. I have already installed this game in my system. So at your end, make sure you choose the option Call of Duty base game or the headquarter edition. Moreover, whenever I click on the manage files and another add-on, you can see I have not checkmarked any of the options with the name Black Ops 6 or Modern Warfare 3. You need to install only the base game first, Call of Duty base game, which is the required one. Install this base game and you will be able to install the game. Once the base game is installed, click on the play option to launch the Call of Duty headquarter edition into your system. Now once the game is started, close it. Now click on the option all games. Select Call of Duty Black Ops 6. Go ahead, you need to download and install the game right from this menu. Once you select the Call of Duty Black Ops 6 from this menu, you will be able to install the game and you will not encounter with any kind of error while installing the Black Ops 6. So as of now, this is all about it friends. If this video works out for you, request you to please click on subscribe button and turn on the bell notification icon to continue receiving updates from my channel. Thank you so much friends. Thank you for watching.